2008 Toyota 4Runner SR5. Black color, aluminum alloy wheels with good tires, tinted windows, door visors, running boards, roof rack crossbars, tailgate glass comes down, powered, rear bumper protector. Got the 2 shelving system with a carpeted mat. Nice well-kept gray leather interior. WeatherTech liners throughout. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Power driver seat adjustments. Nice cold AC. CD player. Steering wheel controls. Fog lights. Just under 162,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Y'all come by and see us.